Hi guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Edna Solo and we are here today for a very special video. I am very happy to introduce you to my new PC, which you can see here in the background. Please ignore that part. That tablecloth situation is temporary. I already bought like an IKEA cabinet that I will be building on stream later today. So that is temporary. It will go away, all right? But yeah, I'm very excited to finally talk a little bit about the new PC that I have going on, because a lot has happened in the last couple of weeks. I did make a full video about what happened to my old PC, so feel free to, check it out and catch up on everything that has happened. But long story short, my old PC fried, like it literally fried. It is what it is. In case you're wondering, this is my old PC now. Yep, it's dead. Completely gone. So I present you the brand new PC that I want to mention real quickly, that this PC is possible also for the contributions and just the love and support of the community. I'm so freaking grateful for everything that you guys have done for me. We have raised like a lot of funds on Ko-Fi, so thank you so much. You definitely helped me a lot with covering the cost of this emergency. Because actually, fun fact, I already had the idea of building a new PC at some point, but let's just say that it didn't go quite as I wanted to, or as I was planning on. Like, I thought that I had like months of time to, just put a lot of stuff on my Amazon cart and buy things when they were discounted and all of that. But yeah, the old PC just decided to die one day and I needed a new one. And it actually happened in a very weird timing situation, because the PC broke down and like 2-3 days after that, maybe a little bit more, I started having symptoms of a very bad flu that pretty much lasted 2 weeks. So I guess that it was like the universe that forced me to have a break, stop, relax, not work, not do anything for like 2 weeks pretty much, because I was sick and I didn't have a PC. But yeah, let's talk about the good stuff, because there are so many things to say about the PC. I don't even know where to begin. Also, keep in mind that I am a streamer. I know some things about technology. I have learned some stuff about PCs like in the last couple of months, I would want to say, but I'm definitely not an expert, okay? So this is definitely not going to be a video like, if you want a streaming PC, this is the best thing that you can have, because I am not in the position of giving advice. I can like tell you why I decided to build things in a certain way and all of that, and I think that this is a great setup. I genuinely think that it's amazing, but I am not an expert. Like, I just wanted to say that before we do anything. First things first, you can see that the PC is quite massive, and let's just introduce the case, I guess. The case was actually gifted to me by Fractal. Fractal sponsors and like has been sponsoring my Twitch streams for more than a year at this point, and they kindly gifted me the case. They were super nice. Actually, because I was already thinking of changing PC and all of that, I had reached out to them a couple of weeks prior to all of this happening, and they did agree to give me a case, which I was very grateful for. And then when all of this happened, the PC fried, I was like, I contacted the person being like, hi, sorry to bother you, like, no rush, but my PC just broke down and I kind of need to start building a new one ASAP. Like, no pressure, no rush. Do you have like any idea of the timing? And oh my gosh, they were so kind. They actually shipped out the case on that day. Like, they were just amazing. And yeah, I ended up choosing the North XL, which is massive, as you can see. Like, it fits a lot of stuff and has incredible airflow. I decided to go for white and glass. I really like how it looks, because like on the front it has that woody It has like the woody material, so it looks very, very chic in my opinion. But at the same time, because it has a glass on the side, I can really see all of those lights and stuff. So I don't know, it's like the perfect mixture and exactly what I wanted. So I'm so grateful for Fractal for gifting me the case. Now, you might notice that the case is white because I wanted a white one. That was my dream. Inside though, things are not white. I ended up building everything black inside, and I'm gonna be honest and straightforward, I only ended up doing that because white was way more expensive. Like if it was the same price, I would have built everything white inside, but it was just like so overpriced that I could not justify spending a lot of extra money. So I have white outside and black inside. I still think that it looks cool, but yeah, I guess that like my dream would have been to have everything white. Now, we can talk a little bit about the specs, about what is inside, which is pretty exciting. But before I tell you anything, I feel like it's important that I explain what I use the PC for and what my goals are for this PC. First of all, I am a full-time streamer, content creator, and YouTuber. Like, it is my job. But I also have like a side thing where I'm a marketing consultant because I like marketing. But my main thing is streaming and creating content. And for the longest time, the main reason why I wanted to upgrade PC and get a nicer setup was that I want to be able to create better content, better quality, and just overall have a better workflow. Now, you might know me because of my reaction videos, and I record my videos in a very particular way. And with my old PC, my only option was to releasing 1080 videos. I wanted to do 4K so badly, but my PC was just like not able to handle it. I could not record things in the way that I wanted to and actually have them released in 4K. With this new PC, it looks like I might be able to. I have been experimenting a little bit, and so far so good. But yeah, I think that like 1080 belongs to the past, so I'm aiming more for like 2K, 4K. 4K is like ideal right now. My camera can handle it, my PC should be able to handle it, so I've been like anything that I can record in 4K, I am doing in 4K now, and I'm so freaking grateful because yeah, I want to make the best possible quality for you guys. So that is like the first thing, just able to record the raw material in 4K and actually be able to edit that stuff in 4K without the PC burning down and without it taking hours, which let me tell you, I have already been like recording and editing some stuff on the new PC, and spoiler, oh my gosh, everything is so smooth. I can't believe like how easy everything is and like how fast it happens. So those are my main needs, right? Oh, also, let me just tell you, now on Twitch, I stream in 2K, and I've been doing that for a little bit, and my PC was, the old PC looked to be able, like it was handling it okay, it was going fine. More problems started happening, and like it actually broke down when I tried to stream 2K on Twitch, multi-stream in 1080 on Kick, and play a game, Little Nightmares. So like not even like the most advanced graphics and nothing extraordinary, but that's what made my PC burn down. So now my hope is that I will be able to stream 2K on Twitch, multi-stream on other platforms, and do whatever I want gaming wise without worrying that the PC will break down or anything like that. So those are my main goals, and also I'm just thinking that maybe in the future Twitch will allow 4K streaming. We're not quite there yet, but if it happens in like a year, I hope that my PC will be able to handle it. So now that we know my needs, this is what I got. Oh, I guess what I should clarify also that I do a little bit of gaming, but I'm not the most professional gamer of the world, so you will never find me doing gaming with like max graphics. I don't care about like 120 FPS or anything like that, also because I did not upgrade my monitors, so they're still like the old ones that I used to have, so gaming is like not a top priority for me. Okay, let's start with the motherboard, the processor, and all of that. First of all, I have known for the longest time that I wanted to try to go with an AMD build instead of Intel, because I have had Intel pretty much my whole life. The old PC was Intel, and I heard a lot of people saying that some of the latest versions of Intel were kind of having some issues here and there, and honestly, AMD, I think that is like the cheapest option, so I ended up going for this one. No shade to Intel, it's just like I'm not an expert, that's what I was told by some people, and I just decided to give it a try to AMD, and so far so good. No complaints, like literally no complaints. The PC is running super smoothly. So this is my motherboard, and wait, I actually have to read it. Asus ROG Strix X870E H gaming Wi-Fi 7. That is the full name. So things that I know is that Strix is a very good ROG Strix, like material wise, the components and all of that, super good quality, and I like that. And the X870E should be like pretty good as a motherboard. A lot of people of the community told me that potentially it might even be an overkill, but my idea was I want something that's gonna last me more than 2 years. I'm sure that like during the years I will need to make some upgrades, maybe like as new technology comes out and all of that. But like the motherboard is like, it's the heart of a PC, right? So I really wanted something that was good quality, and let me tell you, I got super lucky because I had it on my Amazon cart one day and it was very expensive, and I was looking at it and I was like, I don't know, and then like the next day it was discounted and it was pretty much the same price as some of the other models that were cheaper. So I was like, you know what, I'm getting this one. So yeah, that's the motherboard. CPU wise, I have the AMD Ryzen 9 9900X. So there was this model and the 3D one, but I was told the 3D is made mainly for gaming, and again, I don't do that much gaming, and the price difference just didn't make a lot of sense for me. So I think that I have like an incredible nice deal on this one. Like I think that it's a good one. Then speaking of something else that is very important, the graphic card, I ended up getting the 5080. Honestly, 5090, amazing, sounds great, incredible, but I cannot justify spending that much money on a graphics card. So I ended up going with the next best thing in my opinion, and I think that it's gonna be amazing for like a bunch of years. So the 5080, brand wise, I got Zotac. I honestly didn't know, I wasn't familiar with this brand, but I asked to some people of the community, I asked some people on Discord, I looked up on Reddit, and like I looked up a bunch of reviews, and a lot of people have a great experience with Zotac. I ended up getting this one because among the 5080s, it was like the cheapest. But yeah, I got a 5080 and I'm very happy with how it's going because it's running so smoothly. It's incredible. Then, the pain in the ass. The RAM. Why the hell is RAM so expensive now? It's so pricey. We actually talked about this also on Discord and like on Twitch, but yeah, apparently in the last year, the prices of RAMs have gone up so much, it's crazy. So on my old PC, I originally had 16 gigabytes of RAM, then I ended up adding like another 16, so I had like 32 gigabytes for a while. And now this was like quite a tough decision because I really wanted to go with as much RAM as possible, but one, it was very expensive, and two, a lot of people of the community just couldn't agree on the best option for me, because a lot of people were saying that 32 was probably enough and 64 might be an overkill. But keeping in mind all of the stuff that I wanted to do, like streaming, with all of those specs, recording in 4K, fast editing, being able to maybe like use Photoshop while a video is rendering and all of that. So I ended up going for 64. And I'm happy that I did, but man, it was pricey. So I had like a bunch of options, and I ended up buying the RAM from the store that ended up building the PC for me, because like it was expensive anywhere. Like I was keeping an eye on Amazon for a couple of days to see if there was like a discount or anything like that. Nope, RAM is expensive as hell now. I ended up getting, wait, how is it called? It's the, what is the name? The Kingston Fury RAM. The Kingston Fury. I ended up getting 64, yes. So I have 2 sets of 32. Expensive as hell. Expensive as hell, I'm not gonna lie. And I think that I ended up paying like 345 euros for it. Euros, not dollars. Keep that in mind, because you know it's pricey. I don't even know how to say it. It's very pricey, but I think that I made a very good choice, and I really like the fact that I have it, because this was a struggle that I had in the past with the old PC, is that sometimes I need to render videos that are very long, and like for a video that is like 2 hours in 1080, my PC would just like stay there and just render the video for like an hour and a half, during which I wasn't able to do anything. Like my PC was just like stuck there for an hour and a half, during which I couldn't like make a thumbnail or anything else that was like work related. I actually just like had to take a break. My camera is going crazy. Now I'm trying to think what else I have to mention. Oh, I mean, I have a Corsair water cooler that looks very nice, and I love having the little monitor. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, the little monitor that I can customize. The other day I tried to put a video of my dog, but otherwise I can just like keep the temperature. And honestly, I love the RGB lights. I'm sorry, I know that a lot of people don't like them, they're like too nerdy or whatever, but I freaking adore them, and I love just like playing around with the lights and customize them. And honestly, like I only have had it now for like what, a week maybe. I'm just like slowly playing around with things. I'm just like too scared of touching stuff sometimes, but little by little I'm getting a little bit more confident in the use of a PC, and just like testing all of its features and all of that. So yeah, I think that I mentioned most stuff. If there's anything that I missed that I didn't mention in this video, feel free to ask in the comments. And I just want to say again, thank you guys so much to everyone that has contributed to the Ko-Fi fund. It has helped tremendously. Thank you, Fractal, for the case, which looks so gorgeous. And yeah, let me know, guys, if you have more questions. I'm gonna see you very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.